Maintaining healthy cholesterol levels is essential for a strong and resilient cardiovascular system. Diet plays a pivotal role in managing cholesterol, and incorporating cholesterol-burning vegetables into your meals can make a significant difference. Discover the power of nature's bounty in managing your cholesterol. Swap high-fat foods with nutrient-rich vegetables to achieve a balanced diet. Our secret lies in carefully selected, cholesterol-busting vegetables, packed with fiber and antioxidants. Consuming these can aid in lowering harmful cholesterol levels. Experience the magic of simple dietary changes. Turn your life around by choosing heart-friendly foods and enjoy a healthier, happier life. Embrace a healthier lifestyle today. It's never too late to start your journey towards a stronger heart and a healthier you.